Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I'm Martin with Belleville Auto Spa, and today I'm just going to do a quick review. Should be a pretty quick video on Ethos Graphene Shine, Graphene Infused Tire Shine. So I have used a few Graphene Infused Tire Shines, Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions, Atoms, probably some other ones I can't think of. They did pretty well. So let's see how Ethos does and see how it looks. And won't be testing in this video, but you guys can always come back and comment back and ask me how it does. So I've got Ethos here. I've got an Auto Fiber Saver tire applicator. This has the plastic barrier in it between the microfiber and the foam, so you don't waste a bunch of product. Pretty simple, right? So the product here, the bottle's a little dented. I tried to return it to its previous form, but it doesn't want to. I've been eyeballing this stuff for a while. I'm finally now just getting it. But the nice label, of course, Ethos always got really nice labels. Got your information back here. You can deep clean the tire. Ethos does have a wheel and tire cleaner, a dedicated tire, or no, they have a wheel and tire cleaner and an APC, both that work. They're super APC and their new total wheel cleaner, which I've got videos on if you want to see those. After the tires are clean and dry, you apply it directly into, it says their tire shine applicator. I don't know if I got theirs, but I'm going to use this one anyways because I like these. Evenly spread, using the applicator, reapplying when necessary. Pay special attention to the ribs, grooves, or raised letters, or tire shine can accumulate. That can cause sling. Allow it to dry and enjoy your dressed tire trim and plastic. So you can use this on your exterior textured trim and plastics if you want to add some gloss to them, some shine, some protection. But let's get over to the car and test it out, see how it is. So here we've got a clean, dry, undressed wheel and tire. So I'll do half so you guys can kind of get a good look, see how it is. Now this does have, looks like some of the graphene accumulating at the bottom, so go ahead and shake it up. Make sure that's all good to go. First time using it, so you want to prime it up. After that, you don't really have to use much, but I like to dab it on, spread. It goes on pretty easily. Now the trick to not getting sling all over your car is to not over apply or come back and wipe off with a microfiber. But with these, I like to use the side that I don't have any tire shine on and kind of buff it in there. It'll pick up any of the excess residue. And there it is. So you can see, undressed, dressed, adds a nice satin sheen, not too glossy, not too overpowering. Pretty nice. Smells good too. It's like a nice fruity flavor. So go ahead and get the rest of the tire dressed. And before you go driving, I'd say give this, depending on the temperature, 10 to 30 minutes. If it's, you know, you're here in Texas, you can probably get away with 5-10 minutes. If you're up in like Canada, you might want to give it about 30 minutes or so. That's not good. Just noticed that on the tire. My wife's driving. Anyways, pretty simple, right? It goes on pretty easily. Let it dry. It's good to go. It's already dry here, actually. It's dry to the touch. Does have a little residue that'll get on your hands, but it's dry. It's not wiping off, so it bonds to the rubber well as long as the rubber is clean. So tire shine. Hopefully it's a good one. The graphene should help it repel water and keep a nice black finish even after the rain. You know, you might see some of the shine wear off. I notice that usually happens with tire shines, but that's yeah, Ethos Graphene Shine. Let's go back to the table for our final thoughts. So yeah, Ethos Graphene Shine looks pretty nice on the tire, gives a good finish, so definitely worth picking up. You know, we got a few other Ethos products here to go along with it. We've got, you know, this is part of their wheel cleaning system. So you got their Tire Shine, Total Wheel and Tire Cleaner. This says tires and wheels. Wheel Cleaner Plus, this has an iron removing wheel cleaner. Doesn't clean tires very well. Super APC, also cleans wheel and tires. Bit more alkaline, but this also, I noticed, cleans rubber very well. Another video that I did. So be sure to check them out. I'll put links down below with a 10% off discount code if you want to buy it from their website or Amazon. The discount doesn't work for Amazon though, but it'll be there. But that's all I got for you guys in this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I will see you all in the next one. Keep them clean. Have a good one.